Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Unknown Samurai, where we talk about money. Every dip is a great opportunity what we have learned in stock market. Same thing is happening in crypto now. 2021 year was full of roller coaster for crypto. We have seen a rally and end of the year a downtrend. Crypto market as a whole down nearly $1 trillion since its peak in mid-November. Every other crypto is in deep. So falling market is fantastic opportunity to invest in crypto. But crypto is not for everyone. Expensive cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum is on sale now. Bitcoin is currently priced at 40,000 per token, down from 70,000. Ethereum is around 3,300 from its peak of 4,900 couple of months ago. Considering buying a crypto right now is one of the most affordable times to invest. But does that mean it is a smart investment? Let's find out. And in the end of the video, I am going to share my expect levels on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We see stocks prices affordable when market is down, right? And we know when market will bounce, we are going to ride the rally. But crypto is a different because it is highly volatile and speculative. Some stocks have long decade stories. We do intensive research to find out the future projection about the business or a company. But while crypto is tough to do analysis for future projection, there is no guarantee whether we will succeed in long run or not. Other side, major cryptos are developing use in regular and most of their growth is still based on potential to real use for a day-to-day life. In other words, there is a chance crypto could explode and change society, and also chances it could fail also. And right now, nobody knows what will happen. Crypto is not a bad investment. It is risky. Before buying, you should know what you are dealing with. So first consider, is it a crypto right for you, and also check overall risk for every investment and risk as a portfolio level. The price of Bitcoin has fallen nearly 37% since mid-November. If you know that level of volatility will cause you to lose sleep at night, then crypto may not be the right investment for you. Second, overall financial situation before you invest. So with any investment, it's best to keep a long-term outlook. Be prepared to keep your money invested for at least a few years, if not for decades. Also, don't invest any money you can't afford to lose, and double check that the investment is not going to affect your rest of portfolio if it is a well diversified. Finally, try to keep realistic expectations when investing in a crypto. Don't over expect or don't overreact when you are comparing with other entry levels. There are many who talk so much positive about the crypto, but as an individual, you are unique, so think likewise. And last, you likely won't become a millionaire overnight. It is possible to make money with the crypto. It is a risky investment, tough, so don't rush to buy simply because it is more affordable right now. If you have a higher tolerance of volatility and can afford to invest, now might be the right opportunity to buy. Otherwise, you may be better off waiting. So let's go to screen and check current levels expectations.
Yes, so this is a BTC USD chart, okay, and we are at looking at Coinbase, right? And as per your preference, you can set your exchange, but as widely used, I'm using Coinbase. Just for the reference, you can use whatever exchange and whatever provider you like. Yes. So on the BTC, we have shared our levels already 15 days back, and today I am going to talk about the levels. As you can see, I have marked my levels on a weekly chart. Okay. So this is what the weekly chart look is looking at. We have drawn a channel which is a long channel from the high of 2017-18, and then later on in the mid of 21, and then after in the end of the year 21. Yeah, as you can see, there is a resistance, Okay, drop from the resistance, support, again in the channel, resistance, and now it is coming at the support. Yeah, so last time I have drawn few lines. It is going to come, and it definitely have to take resistance from the top, and then it has to come near to its bottom of the channel where it is support. So in the last video I have shared my levels below the 40,000, near to 38,000. Yes, it is a good time now for the investment. Yeah, obviously it is a very risky investment, so you have to follow very strict stop loss and then consult your financial planner before any investing in crypto. So if this channel breaks, definitely it is going to hit so much. But then if this channel will work very well, so then with this yeah, so if I'm doing long with this stop loss, yes, I'm considering this as a good support, and it will possibly move somewhere here. Okay, so this is around 1 is to 8 risk reward ratio for me for BTC USD if I'm taking a long position right now. Now we are going to look at Ethereum. For Ethereum also, last time I have marked few levels from the investment perspective on a weekly chart. Yes, so now it is in the perfect zone, taking a support from these levels, and definitely we can expect somewhere around at this at the lower end or a lower tick. Yes, and even if you take a long position at this level, so at the channel upper end, so this will become your stop loss, this will become your target, right? So here also 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio is available. If you pick exact at the support of this channel, definitely it will increase because your stop loss will lower or down the channel, and upward, that is your target. So yes, we can consider this level for an investment purpose. For more informative videos, stay tuned, and if you don't have like and subscribe, kindly do that first, which gives us motivation. Thank you.